Welcome to everyone. Today we will start a very important topic OFC, that is optical fiber communication for your BSNL senior executive trainee post. And YourPedia provide a dedicated module, and if you are interested for preparing with us, then join our dedicated WhatsApp group, and the link of the WhatsApp group are available in the description box of this video. So we will start the OFC, and we know multiple branches are eligible for this post like CS and IT, electronics and electrical, and also equivalent of these branches. Okay, so if any candidate which belongs to computer science and or IT or equivalent not aware the technical terms related to optical fiber like waveguide, what is the properties of light, so here we discussed all the prerequisite which are important for further study. Okay, so first of all we discussed the basic properties of light, because optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection, and total internal reflection is the application of light. So first of all we discuss the basic properties of light. Okay, then we further move on the optical fiber core structure. Okay, see basic properties of light. Basic properties of light. See, point number 1, nature of light. Okay, light is a form of electromagnetic radiation and it shows dual nature. Dual nature means light behaves as a particle and wave also. This tendency of particle or wave is said to be dual nature. Okay, what is the example of wave nature? Interference, diffraction and polarization. In our further video we discussed all these terms in the short way. Okay, see next, particle nature. What is the phenomena behind the light which show the particle nature? Okay, photons, photoelectric effect. See next, speed of light. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? C equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the approximate value. Okay, exact value 2.9 something. So here we use the approximate value and this is universally acceptable. Okay, see, in a mediums V equal to C upon N. What is the N? Refractive index, where N equal to refractive index, N equal to refractive index. Speed decrease in a denser medium. It is clear here. Okay, for vacuum N equal to approximately 1. When we put here N equal to 1, then V equal to C, or we can say the speed of light is C, but in any other medium the speed equal to C by N, and for other than vacuum N is greater than 1. That's why this point here speed decrease in a denser medium. Okay, see next, rectilinear propagation. What is the meaning of rectilinear propagation? See, light travels in a straight line in a homogeneous medium. What is the homogeneous medium? If crystal structure or properties are remain same in the material, then material is said to be homogeneous. Means composition of material are remain same in homogeneous medium. Explains formation of shadow and pinhole camera. This is the explanation, example of rectilinear motion. Okay, see, reflection of light. In our further video we cover up reflection in detail. What is the laws, what is the incident ray, what is the plane, what is the reflected ray, what is the deviation angle. In our further video we discuss all the points, but here we discuss only introductory basic properties of light, because optical fiber is the application based on the light, that is total internal reflection. See, what is the reflection? Reflection is the phenomena in which light bending in the same media. Okay, see, bouncing back of light from a surface. See, consider one example. This is any plane and this is the incident ray and this is the point of incident. Okay, here we draw a normal which is perpendicular to plane, and this is the incident ray and this is the reflected ray, and the angle between the incident ray and the normal is said to be I, incidence angle, and this is the angle between the reflected wave and the normal is said to be reflected angle R. and this I equal to R. This is the first law of reflection. Okay, see, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, first law. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. Consider this digital board or smart board is a plane. In this plane, this normal, incident ray and reflected ray is present. This is the best example of this statement. Next, refraction of light, bending of light. See, reflection is the bending of light in the same media, but bending of light in the different media is the refraction. Okay, see, bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. Okay, see, example, this is a plane and this is the incident ray, and in same way this is the normal, and this ray deviate from it pass or bending. This is also propagate like that. It depends on the denser or rare medium. This we discussed in the separate lecture. What is the meaning of denser and all? See, this is the bending of light from one medium to another medium is said to be refraction of light. And when we study in the further video, we discuss the one dedicated lecture for refraction and Snell's law. Because if you know about the Snell's law, then you easily understand the concept of total internal reflection and critical angle, numerical aperture and all. And this is the prerequisite for OFC, optical fiber communication. See, next. So, due to change in speed governed by the Snell's law, and N1 sin I equal to N2 sin R. This is the basic formula of Snell's law, but here we study on the terms refraction of light. This is Snell's law we covered in the separate lecture. Okay, refraction of light, bending of light in the different media. Next, what is the dispersion of light? What is the dispersion? See, splitting of white light into its constituent colors. What is the constituent colors? Vibgyor. ठीक है, Vibgyor. Example, prism. If we pass sunlight from prism, it split in constituent colors. What is the constituent colors? 7 colors. See, ठीक है, violet, indigo, blue, ठीक है, and so on. And this is the increasing order. This is the increasing order of wavelength. And violet maximum deviation, because deviation of light inversely proportional to the wavelength. Okay, see, this is the increasing order of wavelength. Red color having the maximum wavelength, so red color is less deviate. That's why our notation or red light and all signals are made by red color, because it does not deviates. Okay, less deviate as compared to other. Okay, this is the reason. Next, red minimum deviates and violet maximum deviation, because the color which having the maximum wavelength deviates less. ठीक है, deviate less. This is the only, ठीक है, basic phenomena यार. Okay, next, reflection and refraction together. At any surface, part of light is reflected and part of light is refracted. This is said to be reflection and refraction together. Next, what is the relation between the wavelength and frequency? What is the wavelength and frequency? See here. First of all, we discuss a periodic signal. What is the periodic signal? If any signal, first of all, before the periodic signal, first of all we discuss the signal. What is the signal? Because here not the only electronics or electrical candidate. This course we study on the basis of the candidate which are not studied at all. Okay, here we discuss all the prerequisites which are involved in the subject. Okay, see, what is the signal? Anything that contain any types of information can be considered as a signal. Okay, anything. Okay, see, if this is some fundamental, this is the time and this is the voltage, like any signal, voltage, current or power and all. Okay, not matter what is the signal, but shape is the matter. See, here we draw the sinusoidal graphs. V equal to sin theta, like sin theta. What is the graph of sin theta? This is the basic trigonometry, okay, function. See, this is our graph in one cycle, this is second cycle and all. in reverse direction is also present. This, see, this is the 0, this is the pi, this is the 2 pi, and this is the 3 pi, and this is the 4 pi. See, any signal which repeats itself after certain time period is said to be periodic signal. So this signal, if we consider the starting point like here, if we consider starting point like that, then this signal repeat itself after this time period, then 2 pi or 4 pi or 6 pi or 8 pi, or we can say even pi is the time period, because after each and every even pi signal repeat itself. So time period is the even pi, but fundamental time period is one only. The fundamental time period is that value of time at that minimum value of time after which signal repeats itself. Then what is the minimum value? 2 pi. That's why T naught is the fundamental time period. Okay, 2 pi. This is the fundamental time period. This is the signal periodic, and this is the time period. See, any signal which repeats itself is said to be periodic signal, and the minimum value of time after which signal repeats itself is said to be fundamental time period, and this is the periodic signal example, and this is the fundamental time. Okay guys, ठीक. Next, so here the frequency, the time taken by any signal to complete one revolution is said to be time period. So the time period of T naught equal to 2 pi. Then what is the frequency? Number of cycle per second is said to be frequency. Okay, and frequency is the reciprocal of time period. That's why frequency, fundamental frequency equal to 1 upon T naught. 1 upon T naught. Okay. See, speed equal to distance upon time. Okay, speed equal to distance upon time. This is the, in one complete cycle, the horizontal distance covered by the waveform is said to be wavelength. So speed, that is c, or we can say this is the v is the frequency, v nu, or we say lambda f. Here nu, that is not the pronounce v, that is the nu. Okay, or we can say f, that is the frequency. See, speed equal to distance upon time. Simple formula, simple mathematics. Okay, simple aptitude, not a mathematics. See, what is the speed? Speed is c, because light travel the speed c with c, which is the 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. C equal to distance is the lambda, time period is the t, and 1 upon t is the frequency. Then lambda f is the 1 upon t is the c. Speed equal to distance upon time. Speed for light c equal to distance is the lambda upon t, t is the time period, and 1 upon t is the frequency c here. So c equal to lambda f. This is the formula, c equal to lambda f. So up to here we discussed periodic signal, fundamental time period, and what is the relation between the speed, frequency and wavelength. We discussed all the prerequisites which are required for our dedicated module. Okay, see, next, frequency remain constant in all media and wavelength change with medium. This is the very famous point. Next, intensity of light depends on amplitude of wave, distance from the source, follow inverse square law. Okay, means inverse square law means intensity I, we change the color, see, intensity I inversely proportional to distance square. Okay, this is the inverse square law, like gravitational law, F the force between two any massive body. Okay, F equal to capital G small m1 small m2 upon small r square. G is the universal gravitational constant, m1 m2 are the mass of object, and r is the separation between the mass. And this is follow the inverse square law, because force between two massive body, that is having the mass m1 and m2, inversely proportional to the r square, F inversely proportional to r square. Like in Coulomb's law also, F equal to some constant q1 q2 upon r square, F inversely proportional to r square. This is also follow the inverse square law. And intensity of light in the light, okay, or optics Also follow the inverse square law. This is the inverse square law. When distance increases, intensity decreases. If this is the torch, we mark the torch on any object. If we move farther away from that source, then intensity remain constant? Not. It follow the inverse square law like that. Okay, this is the particular best example. See next. Electromagnetic nature. Light does not need a medium. If we go on the moon, ऐसा ही होगा, मैं बोलूंगा सुनाई नहीं देगा, बिकॉज साउंड वेव रिक्वायर मीडियम. बट electromagnetic wave or light wave, because light is also a part of electromagnetic wave, and electromagnetic wave or light wave does not require any medium. Okay, light does not need a medium, travels in a vacuum, has electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other. That's why this is said to be transverse electromagnetic field. Next, see, but all the things we discussed, what is the theory or content or learning content especially required for a particular topic. We discussed like that a particular topic and which type of question asked on that topic, because our agenda main is the question solving, problem solving. So first of all we discuss relevant theory on a particular topic, and which type of question framed or asked or expected questions we can say based on that particular topic. We discuss like that. Up to here we discuss the basic properties of the light or electromagnetic wave. So which type of question asked based on that particular topic. See, first question, and this is the mainly theoretical exam. So here we discuss the relevant mathematical expression or formulas, and behind that which type of MCQs framed. Okay, this is my responsibility. You only focus the content and revise them. In our further lecture you need to revise that particular lecture. Okay, see, first question, speed of light in a vacuum. See, B option. Okay, you pause the video and solve yourself. Okay, then we check. But here answer is mentioned. In next lecture we mark the option in the next slide, so that you not the distract by that option. Okay, this option na answer is not mentioned, so that you not disturb. In the further slide, further PPT or the lecture we aware for that. Okay, next, light is a form of mechanical wave. No. Longitudinal wave? No. Electromagnetic wave? Yes, electromagnetic wave. Light consists of oscillating electric and magnetic field, that is electromagnetic wave. Okay, this is the very important. This is the electromagnetic wave. Next, which property of light explains bending around obstacles? Okay, तो क्या phenomena है? Diffraction. This is the diffraction. Okay, a bending of light in the same media, then reflection. Bending of light in the different media, that is the refraction. Next, the phenomena responsible for formation of colors in the soap bubbles. See, interference. This is also important. We discuss in the further lecture in the detail manner. Which of the following has the shortest wavelength? Vibgyor. Okay, Vibgyor means violet. This is the, and maximum red, Vibgyor. This is the order of wavelength according to given option. Okay, next, when light travels from air to glass, which quantity remain unchanged? Frequency. Which quantity remain unchanged? Refractive index of a medium is the ratio of speed of light, n equal to c upon v. C is the speed of light in a vacuum. V is the speed of light in a medium other than the vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum to medium. Yes, B is the right answer. Next, which color of light deviates most in the prism? Vibgyor. which having the less wavelength, ठीक है, deviate most. Okay, so if wave what is the option, which color of light deviate most, which having the wavelength less, okay, then violet. Yes, because it having the less wavelength. This is the explanation simply. The phenomena of splitting of white light into the constituent colors. Yeah, dispersion is the phenomena of splitting of light in a constituent colors. The reason why the sky appears blue. This is the famous question here. Okay, see, scattering of light. Okay, scattering of light. This is the Rayleigh scattering. If lambda is more, then scattered less. This is the basic relation. Okay, scattering, Rayleigh scattering. Next, now here we discuss the basic introduction of optical fiber communication. From that we discussed our syllabus. Okay, but here we discussed all the prerequisites which are required for any student who are not already study OFC, that is optical fiber communication. See beta, one by one we discuss each and every point. See, an optical fiber can be defined as a thin, transparent and flexible fiber used to transmit light from one place to another at a very high speed. These fibers are generally made out of silica or plastic. This is the important for our exam. ठीक है, if in the option asked what is the material used for optical fiber, this is the line. Here pick the all the important things. Here we discuss how we can read the paragraph so that we collect the important information. Okay, see, and have a diameter of roughly a little more than a human hair. Okay, it is also used to communicate information from one place to another at a very high rate of data transfer. They are preferred over metal wire as they do not tend to lose a lot of data as compared to wires or fibers made out of metals. Okay, what is optical fiber? This is the basic introduction of optical fiber. Then what is the this is the beta image. Okay, optical fiber. Okay, this is the image. See, an optical fiber is a device which is used to transmit light and data from one place to another at a very high speed and at very high rates of sending data. Okay, it uses pulses of light that travel through it. It is generally made out of silica, glass or plastic. This is also important, and this is the similar point. Okay, metal wires are not preferred in optical fiber as they cause data loss during the transfer. Optical fiber do not get affected by electromagnetic interference. They work on the principle of total internal reflection. This is the very important inside of it. Then many students not aware about the total internal reflection. See, in our further video we discussed the reflection phenomena. Then we discussed in another video refraction. Then we discussed total internal reflection. Then we discussed what is the concept of critical angle. Then we discussed numerical aperture. Then we discussed what is the relation between them. Okay, this we discussed in the separate video. See, one important point in up to here only 2 points are important. What is the material? Silica, glass or plastic. What is the working principle of optical fiber? TIR, that is total internal reflection. Okay, only you understand the basic concept, and we promise you here the term total internal reflection, we covered these principle in the detailed manner. Okay, in the separate video. Here we discussed only the basic idea of the OFC. Okay, and basic core structure, basic properties of the light. If you carefully listen to me, then in the comment section you comment on the lecture and how many percentage you grasp. Okay, this is only beta from my side. Okay, you comment on the comment section so that we further take the next lecture on the reflection, refraction, total internal reflection. Okay, this is fruitful for us. Okay, next, they are designed to become capable of transferring data along with light in their path. They are capable of transferring data a longer distance as well as at shorter distances. The longer distance transferred is done through single mode fiber. This is very, very important. What is the single mode meaning? What is the multi-mode fiber? This is also be discussed in the separate lecture, because this is the our all the syllabus. Here we discuss the what is the optical fiber, where we use optical fiber, what is the material used in optical fiber, what is the basic principle behind the optical fiber. Okay, first of all we discuss that terms. Okay, see, where is transfer at shorter distances is done through multi-mode fiber. For long distance we use single mode. Okay, for shorter distance we use multi-mode fiber. What is the basic concept behind multi-mode and single mode we discussed in the letter. Okay, see, they are protected inside a tough covering, as these are very delicate. The image shown below depict the structure of the optical fiber. This is the image beta, मस्त लग रही है ना, construction of optical fibers. This is the image. See, this is the core, this is the fiber core, and this is the another layer, cladding. Okay, this is the diameter. This is not important. What is the size of the diameter? Not required. Okay, this is the core, fiber core. This is the things where light propagates. Okay, we further discuss one by one. What is the purpose of core? What is the purpose of cladding? What is the coating? What is the tight buffer? What is the strength of chamber or aramid yarn cable jacket? What is the purpose? What is the concept of that? What is the principle behind on each and every part? We discuss in the next slide also. But this is the first part, fiber core. This is the second layer, cladding. This is the third layer, coating. This is the fourth layer, tight buffer or simply buffer. And this is the fourth layer, strength member. Strength member means it provides the mechanical strength. Okay, and this is the cable jacket. Okay, this is the jacket. See, an optical fiber is constructed using 5 layers, which are mentioned, described as well as depicted as follow below. Core. What is the core and what is the purpose of core? See, it is the innermost. See beta, this is the innermost, na, innermost. Okay, this is the innermost layer. See, it is the innermost layer of an optical fiber, which is used to transfer data along with light, in which the total internal reflection takes place. Okay, it transfers signal from light source which is attached to it to a device which receives the signal. It is made out of silica glass and high quality plastic. Its size is directly proportional to the data transferred, which is that the larger the core, the more data will be transferred. Okay, this is the function. The core is the central region of the optical fiber. This is clear from the image. It is made of high quality glass, silica or plastic. Okay, the light signal travels through the core. These points, this point is only important related to core. Here we highlight that important things. Okay. Next, refractive index. What is the refractive index? C upon V. Okay, what is the meaning of refractive index? We discussed in the reflection or refraction topic. What is the Snell's law? Snell's law means refraction of light. Okay, core has a higher refractive index than the cladding. This condition is necessary for total internal reflection. This we discussed in the total internal reflection also. Okay, why core has higher refractive index as compared to cladding, and what is the importance of that? Okay. Core diameter, single mode fiber 8 to 10 micrometer, multi mode fiber 50 to 62.5 micrometer. Okay. Function, guide optical signal over long distances with very low attenuation. What is the meaning of attenuation? See, this is our signal, input signal, and when we this propagate through this medium, if signal like that, this is the higher amplitude as compared to this, then we say this is the amplification version of that input signal. If strength of the signal increases, then this is said to be amplification process. And the reverse of amplification is the attenuation. If we get at the output signal like that, this is the attenuated version of that signal, and this process is said to be attenuation. This term. Okay, this term. Okay, this is clear, I think. Next, cladding. It is the second layer and present above the core. Okay, this is clear from the image also. It is a thin layer covering the core of the optical fiber. It also works as a boundary to the core and has more light in it. Sorry. which comes in the after passing the core. This is the basic introductory part. What is the purpose and which type of question asked in the examination related to cladding? The cladding surrounds the core, okay, made of glass or plastic similar to the core material, okay, has a slightly lower refractive index. If we discuss core having the higher refractive index as compared to cladding, then reverse is also true now. Cladding has the lower refractive index as compared to core. Okay, this is the important things. Thickness typically about 125 micrometer standard size. This is the standard size. Function provide total internal reflection at the core. Cladding interference prevent light from leaking out of the core. Leaking means anything which deviates our path is said to be leakage. Okay, in this, if light does not follow the desired path in the core, then this is said to be leakage. Okay, prevent light from leaking out of the core, reduces signal loss and crosstalk. Crosstalk, what is the crosstalk? If we talk to our best friend, okay, if we face some noise, okay, this is said to be crosstalk. Okay, coating, it is just a plastic coating present over the cladding. It is also the third layer of optical fiber. It helps in absorbing shocks as well as protecting the cable from bending. Okay, it does not have any properties of optical waveguide. The outermost layer of the optical fiber made of plastic and polymer material. This is not the outermost layer. You confused about this. If we consider 3 layer, then this is the outermost layer. But here we consider the all the structure means just standard. Okay, that's why here we cut that point. Made of plastic and polymer material. Types: primary coating, soft polymer; secondary coating, outer jacket. Function: protect fiber from moisture, mechanical stress, bending and abrasion. Okay, does not take part in light propagation. This is very important. This is very important terms. Okay, this is very important. Strengthening fiber. It is the fourth layer of the optical fiber surrounding the third layer. It serves the purpose of protecting the layer present inside it from crushing forces as well as excessive tension. Through this, light cannot get leaked out of the optical fiber as they are filled with dark glass or gel. Okay. Next, cable jacket. It is the fifth and most outer layer. This is the most outer layer. See, if third, this is the outer layer. Here we if we remove this point, this is the outermost layer. No, this is not the correct. If outermost layer, and this is the most outer layer, most outermost or outermost. This is the basic difference here, like that. Layer of optical fiber, it protects the fiber from environmental factors so that the fiber does not break from anywhere. They increase the toughness of the fiber. But this is the basic optical fiber core structure. And what type of question asked on that topic? See, here we discuss all the relevant theory, then we discuss all the relevant MCQs. See, first question, an optical fiber mainly consists of core jacket, core cladding. This is the very important, most important. If in MCQ based question we select most appropriate option. Okay, this is the core and cladding. This is basic things. Next, the part of optical fiber through which light actually travels. Core. Okay, this is the core, actually travel. Next, refractive index of the core is equal to cladding, less than the cladding, greater than the cladding. Yes, greater than the cladding. The main function of cladding in optical fiber. Tell me. The function of cladding in the optical fiber: increase strength, absorb light, cause total yes. Due to this, total internal reflection takes place. How total internal reflection work in the OFC? We discuss in the one dedicated lecture based on only total internal reflection. Next, if this video is fruitful for you, then comment on the comment section. Optical fibers are usually made of plastic only, copper, plastic and glass. Yes, this is the right answer. Discuss this. Beta, try it yourself. The outer protecting covering of an optical fiber is called, ठीक है, buffer coating. This is the clear यार. Okay, here we discuss all the relevant things. Buffer coating. Next, typical diameter of the core in a single mode fiber, single mode, yes, 8 to 10. 50 to 62.5 is the multi-mode, is for multi-mode. Next, which layer prevents loss of light from the core? Buffer coating, jacket, cladding. Yes, this perform the total internal reflection. Okay, here this is the very interesting things. When we discuss the total internal reflection na, then if we study all the prerequisite like total internal reflection, what is the meaning of high refractive index and low refractive index, on which factor refractive index depends, optical density and all. Okay, this is the important. If we this see optical fiber communication we discuss, and this is taught by me, okay, in the your dedicated course. Okay, if you are joined. Okay, see, if this is the optical fiber communication based on the optics. Optics is the study of light. That's why in today lecture we discuss the basic property of light and the basic structure of OFC, and in that lecture we discuss many terms like total internal reflection. This is we discussed in the separate lecture also. Okay, see, cladding ensure that total internal reflection. Okay, this is the explanation. In optical fiber, light propagation occurs due to total internal reflection. Okay, total internal reflection. Next, which of the following is not a part of basic optical fiber structure? Core, yes, this is all. This is the part of OFC. Cladding, yes. Buffer coating, yes. Mirror is not a part of OFC. Okay, this is the part. This is the all about the lecture. See, you beta, if you want to join, okay, our dedicated module for BSNL, take a senior executive trainee, then you join our dedicated WhatsApp group, and the link of the WhatsApp group are available in the description box of the video. Okay, so this is all about this lecture. All the best.